birds were sitting on my window asking, could you be loved? They said, no woman, no cry, this is life, baby, do you think that this is love? They said, your buffalo soldiers won't save you in the end, so get up, stand up, stir it up, 'cause this is side one. Come on, let's have some Bob Marley fun. One love, people get ready. I think you heard this story before, how I accidentally shot the sheriff 'cause he was waiting in vain for the law to save him, and he joined the force, and the redemption song that they sing is not the one I do. It doesn't satisfy my soul. Oh, I'm ready for an exodus. Come on, baby, I want to start jamming with us. Come on, let's get out of control. Three little birds sat on my window asking, could you be loved? They said, no woman, no cry, this is life. And don't forget it, this is love. All your buffalo soldiers, get up, stand up, stir it up. This is side one, Bob Marley, let's have some fun. Come on, what's the matter with you? One love, people get ready, 'cause I told this story before, how I shot the sheriff because he was waiting in vain on the law. And the redemption song they sing is not my song. It doesn't satisfy my soul. I'm ready for the exodus. Come and join us. This is what they call rock and roll. Three little birds sat on my window. They were singing to me. They said, no woman, no cry, this is life, this is love, you're gonna find out, do you want to see? They said, your buffalo soldiers won't save you now, get up and stand up for your love, and stir it up, come on baby, what are we gonna do with the nuts? One love. People get ready, 'cause you heard this story before, how I shot the sheriff because he was waiting in vain on the law. And that redemption song they sing don't satisfy my soul. So you better put on some Bob Marley and listen to the Exodus jamming, 'cause you were already told.